Hello everyone, welcome to another AI tech tutorial. So in this video I'm going to show you a new feature that has been added to ChatGPT is that now you can use group chat and you can start a group chat with your ChatGPT application. You can use this on a mobile application also and the app that you use in your PC. So if you go to the right corner on the ChatGPT, you will see a start a group chat option. You will also find this on your mobile application on the right corner, top right corner. So if I just click it, you can see there's option of start a group chat. So just click start group chat. It will create a group chat just like any other traditional messenger app that you use, just like that. And now you can copy this link and invite people in this group chat that you created. So if I just, for example, just paste this link on my other account that I have logged in with ChatGPT. So we can share the ChatGPT code link in WhatsApp Messenger or any other social media network that you use, and they will get this invite link just like you are seeing right now. So they can join group chat like this. So if I just click on join group chat, now my other account has been added with the main account that I have created. So as you can see, the other person that I created has been joined in the group chat. So if I go to the left corner, you can see all the settings of group chat. You can go to the people option and you can see there's 2 people right now. I can add many other people as I want, and also you can remove people if you're admin of the chat. And here's the manage group link, like you can reset the link and you can also delete link for all 2 members. And here's the rename option. If you want to rename your chat, like give a name of your group chat, you can do that. And there's the customized ChatGPT option, which means you can give a personality to change the ChatGPT to give a custom instruction like get tailored response by adding details about your group or such as goals or any other preferred discussion that you want to use or inside jokes. Like if you want to troll your friends, you can do that. And also you will have a option respond automatically, which means ChatGPT will respond to new message automatically if you just give any message. So let's just say cancel here. And for example, if I just say hi here, and this message will be also shown by my friends and ChatGPT will also respond. So as you can see another account, I can see the message and ChatGPT respond here. For example, with this account, if I just say another message, this will also be shown in my main account, which I created, as you can see. Now, if you don't want ChatGPT to reply every conversation that you guys going to use or many other people, you can also do that. Just go to the new group chat settings, customize ChatGPT and turn off ChatGPT for any conversation. Whenever you want to, you can use ChatGPT. Like now ChatGPT has been turned off, will only respond when mentioned. So if you just go to the message option and tap add, now you can choose ask anything to ChatGPT. For example, how LLM works, and click send. Now ChatGPT will answer, and with this topic, now you can start a discussion about how LLM works with your friends or any other people that you've invited in this group chat. So also you can upload file here, like add photos and files, or also you can create images, web searches in this group. So if you want to delete this chat, go to this and you can still leave group and delete group. So these are the option of new ChatGPT group feature, which is you can use for free right now. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.